Hello, in our previous videos we created some sequences and you may wonder why we did some strange things. Something like this: 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Whoever cares about that? Or why we did that? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Why do we need sequence like this? Why ever we should care about it? And you also may wonder what this bird is, what are they doing here, and what this sample text is doing here too. So in this video we will generate array. We will create array by row indexes. So this will be row indexes and this will be our data. So we will create a new array which will consist of rows of this initial array, and number of rows will be indexes of this row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, next row number 1 again. And this makes sense now. We can create mock-up data or generate some data ranges if we want to show it in our reports, etc. Based on some basic values and based on these boring sequences. So let's go ahead and try to proceed what we can do. There are many ways to achieve that, but maybe the most easy is to use makeArray. Of course, this method have a limitation, but I guess we will not get into this limit. So we'll just use makeArray. And let's look how many rows I want. I want that much rows as I have indexes here. So just number of rows of these indexes, this column. How many columns do I want? I want as much columns as I have in my data. So it will be columns of these data. That's it. Next, lambda goes into game. Lambda. R is row, C is column, and what next? If, or not if, or maybe just index. So position of this initial array, and which row? Row is index of this of R. Index of this initial range of R. And which column do we want? Oh, I forgot to close parens. And next comma. Maybe it's correct now or not. Let's see. Index. No, there is not extra paren. And index of this. Here I closed paren. I didn't intend to do this. And column. Column is just C. It's our constant from lambda. So you see R and C are placed like numbers, so it will be row 1, column 1 next, row 1, column 2 next, row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2, and etc. So they will just iterate. So this makeArray just creates an array. So if I make an array, if I just cut this and just return R and Japan and C, so you will see the result. You will see the result right now. C, close, C, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, so just indexes, nothing here. And if I replace it with this smart thing, index of index again, because I need to take the number of R of this index. Voila, now we have it. And what else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe 4, 4, 4, 4. Anything you want, really, anything you want. But please be careful with dates. If I change this into date, wow, this makeArray did not even modify it. But I thought that it will convert it into a number, and you will see like this, something like a number on screen. So in this case, you will need to convert it to date back in your formula result. But you see, this makeArray even did not convert this into a number. Maybe it was a case before, maybe Google Sheets team fixed that, and now dates are also okay, and that's just great. Thank you for watching, and waiting for your comments and your ideas.